Hi netizens, hello world, this is Art Rosalahas and welcome to my great solo adventures in my homeland, the Philippines. Napakaganda. Kasi di ba ano siya, equivalent ng munisipyo, di ba? Maraming tao din. Yun yung realization na kung fresh ka ngayon, darating yung araw na magiging ano ka rin. Alright guys, so I am here in Barcelona, not in Spain, but here in the province of Sorsogon. Passion really makes me feel a better person. I feel so alive, that's correct. In every time that I share my photos, videos on social media, and there's a lot of people who actually appreciate, and I am like a way for them to know what the Philippines can offer. It makes me feel so awesome because Philippines is awesome, right?
Ayaw niya siya. Excuse lang po naman, sir.
Bakit ka naman nahiya sa camera?
Ang ganda ni ate, tapos hindi mo pagkilo sa camera.
Ito pa ng notebook.